Welcome back to 50 tips of gold heap leaching. Today we will talking about the gold heap leaching spraying intensities. It's the cause of the heap leaching, especially when using our JB Chem mantle extraction to replace the toxic sodium cyanide. The spraying intensities will determine the gold heap leaching. For example, the leaching time, the JB Chem's consumption, and the gold recovery rates. Let's get started. So, what is the normal strength of spraying intensities? Most of the gold heap leachings, the normal range is about 6 to 15 liters per square meters per hour. If your oil is the oxidized oil, the spraying intensity is more higher. It's about 8 to 12 liters per square meter per hour. If your oil is a sulfide oil, the spraying intensity will get down to 6 to 10 liters per square meter per hour. It means sulfide oil will have the long leaching circles. So, how to set up this? How to set up your spraying intensity factors? The factor 1 is about your oil's particle size and your oil's grain contents. For example, if your oil contains so many fat oil and lower and many grains, so it means your spraying intensities will be lower. And the second factor is the temperatures, because the temperatures will influence your heat permeabilities. Second is your rainfall, is the rainfalls. The fourth is about your gold concentrations on the pregnant liquids. Fifth is about your pregnant liquids DO. Okay. What happens if your spraying intensities is too high? So it will cause your heap stocks will have a poor permeabilities. Second, it will cause your heat stock will have the channelings. Second, what happens if your spraying intensities will have too high? So it will cause your heap stock have the channelings. Second, it means it will cause your heap stocks poor permeability. The third, it will cause the reaction, our JB Chem reaction waste. The results that will cause the higher JB Chem mantle extraction consumptions, and the cost will also be higher and lower gold recovery rate. What happens if your spraying intensity is too low? It means your heap stocks will heap stock surface will have the cracking. Second, it means your gold will land at the head stocks. It cannot be leaching at the pregnant liquids. It will cause the leaching times more long. How to monitoring and detect your spraying intensities on site? First of all, the process engineer will monitoring your heat stops. If your heat stop have this situation like channelings, cracked channelings, it means the spraying speed, the spraying intensity is too high. If your heat stop surface have the cracked, it means your spraying speed is low. So we also monitoring your pregnant liquids gold concentrates, JB Chem concentrates, the pH, the DO. That will influence and need to adjust the spraying intensities. How to solve these problems? If your spraying intensity is too high, so please reduce your pump flows, reduce spraying times, and switch to intermittent spraying. For example, stop 1 to 2 hours, spraying 1 to 2 hours, and stop for 1 to 2 hours. Repeat this situation again and again. That gives the reaction times to react no waste, no dead zone. Second, your spraying intensity is too low. Please check your pump and pressures, cleaning your pipe nozzles, increasing the spraying frequencies. Third, uneven the distributions. Check the nozzle spacings, implement the dose control, regularly maintain the heat store. So one sentence summarize. Spraying intensity is about 6 to 15 liters per square meters per hour. If your spraying intensity is too high, it will cause tearing and reaction waste. Too slow, it means your slow circles, long leaching times, and will cause the heap surface crack. At your daily monitoring, the processing engineer will monitoring the heap stack surface, platinum liquid gold concentrates, and JB Chem concentration, the pH and the PO's content. Fit with the intermittent spraying, dose controls, and regularly maintenance. So this is for today's heap leaching tips. In the next, we will continue breaking down the key practical point to help you boost your efficiencies and recovery more gold.